Hello, it's January 31st, 2020, and it is currently raining. And there's a lot of traffic on the road. Yeah, don't mind me, I kind of got a little rain on my glasses, so I'm just wiping them off. Anyway, it's kind of been raining like this for most of the day. Pretty much since this morning. It's been cloudy and kind of raining, but it's mostly just been a light rain. Nothing heavy, unfortunately. But yeah, it's the last day of the month, so I just thought I'd kind of make a video to sort of wrap up the month. And I won't mention what has happened today because I'm sick of it. But I will say, since no witnesses or any evidence was allowed, it's not that surprising. Anyway, well, I think it's time for supper, so I'm just going to go ahead and wrap this up. I know it's short, but I don't feel like making a long video. Plus, it's actually looks kind of dark. I should do better with the lighting next time. But, yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and wrap this up, and I'll see you later. Bye.